Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Madinah Arabic Tuition Center. I am Ahmed and this is a new video of our video series entitled Learn Arabic by Examples.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. مرحبا، أنا نوال.
In this part of lesson 4 we will learn how to ask questions in Arabic language.
إن شاء الله.
God willing.
Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic.
المدينة العربية، بوابتك إلى تعلم العربية. Hello again. Now we will learn the most common questioning words in Arabic.
من.
Who. Man is a questioning word asking about people. Example.
من أنت؟
Who are you? من أنت? The answer.
أنا المدرس الجديد.
I am the new teacher. أنا المدرس الجديد. Another questioning word.
ما.
What? ما is a questioning word used to ask about things or actions. Example.
ما اسمك؟
What's your name? ما اسمك? And the answer.
اسمي يوسف.
My name is Yusuf. اسمي يوسف. Another similar questioning word.
ماذا؟
What? ماذا is a questioning word asking also about things or actions. It has the same meaning as ما. Example.
ماذا تأكل؟
What do you eat? ماذا تأكل? And the answer could be.
آكل دجاجا.
I eat chicken. آكل دجاجا. Another questioning word.
كيف؟
How? كيف is a questioning word asking about the status. Example.
كيف أنت؟
How are you? كيف أنت? The answer.
أنا بخير.
I am fine. أنا بخير.
لغة العرب رعاها الله وبها في القرآن هدى نتعلمها ونعلمها لنعيد المجد ونلقاه.
Welcome back. Let's resume the Arabic questioning words. Here is another new one.
متى؟
When. متى is a questioning word used to ask about time. Example.
متى سترحل؟
When will you leave? متى سترحل? The answer could be.
سأرحل غدا.
I'll leave tomorrow. سأرحل غدا. Another questioning word.
أين؟
Where. أين is a questioning word asking about place or location. Example.
أين الكتاب؟
Where is the book? أين الكتاب? And the answer.
الكتاب على المكتب.
The book is on the desk. الكتاب على المكتب. Another questioning word.
كم؟
How many or how much? كم is a questioning word used to ask about number or quantity. Example.
كم جنيها دفعت؟
How many pounds have you paid? كم جنيها دفعت? The answer could be.
دفعت 5 جنيهات.
I've paid 5 pounds. دفعت 5 جنيهات. Another questioning word.
أي؟
Which or which one? أي is a questioning word asking about the particular one or ones. Example.
أي الطالبات سلمى؟
Which one of the female students is Salma? أي الطالبات سلمى? The answer.
هذه سلمى.
This is Salma. هذه سلمى.
Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic.
المدينة العربية، بوابتك إلى تعلم العربية. Welcome back. Now let's summarize the questioning words we have learned so far with examples.
من.
Who.
من أنت؟
Who are you?
ما.
What.
ما اسمك؟
What's your name?
ماذا؟
What.
ماذا تأكل؟ تأكل؟
What do you eat?
كيف؟
How?
كيف أنت؟
How are you?
متى؟
When?
متى سترحل؟
When will you leave?
أين؟
Where?
أين الكتاب؟
Where is the book?
كم؟
How many or how much?
كم جنيها دفعت؟
How many pounds have you paid?
أي؟
Which or which one?
أي الطالبات سلمى؟
Which one of the female students is Salma? Now let's listen to the same summary but without examples.
من؟
Who?
ما؟
What?
ماذا؟
What?
كيف؟
How?
متى؟
When?
أين؟
Where?
كم؟
How many or how much?
أي؟
Which or which one?
لغة العرب رعاها الله وبها في القرآن هدى نتعلمها ونعلمها لنعيد المجد ونلقاه.
By this we come to the end of our lesson of today. In the next video of this series we will learn the following. The questioning words preceded by prepositions, either attached prepositions as
لماذا؟
for what or why, لماذا, or mixed prepositions as
ممن؟
from whom, ممن, or separated prepositions as
إلى متى؟
till when, إلى متى. We will also learn about the questioning particles which require yes or no in the answer sentence as
أمحمد أخوك؟
Is Muhammad your brother? أمحمد أخوك? If you need any further clarification, you can write it in a comment here below. Also, you may find more details on our free online written course with audios and images at madinaharabic.com. Just click on Learn Arabic, then Arabic Language course, then choose the lesson you need to learn. And enjoy our other free services, videos, quizzes, vocabulary, etc. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to receive about any new video we upload.
مع السلامة.
Goodbye.
السلام عليكم.
Sign up today and get your free one-to-one trial lesson with one of our male and female native Arabic tutors at Madinah Arabic Tuition Center. No credit card required.